Hi and welcome to a new video. Blurring video is often used to protect privacy. Usually, editing video is most convenient when done on a computer. But thankfully, the CapCut app makes editing easier with just your phone. In this video, I will show you step-by-step how to blur certain parts of a video using CapCut on your iPhone. Let's go! First, open CapCut on your device. Press New Project and add the video from your gallery. Once the video is added, scroll to the end of the timeline and click the Edit button on the toolbar. Browse through the available options, then tap the Copy and Overlay buttons one after the other. Press and hold the overlay layer and drag it to align with the main video clip. Click the Angle button below to return to the main toolbar menu. Next, click the Effects button and select Video Effects from the choices. Navigate to the Lens tab and double-tap the Blur effect. To maximize blur, drag the slider up to 100% and tap the Check button to confirm. If the object you want to blur appears throughout the video, stretch the handlebars from the beginning to the end of the clip. Otherwise, simply drag it to align with the specific frame of the video. If the preview doesn't show any blur effect on the frame, tap the Object button on the toolbar and set it to Overlay. Click the Angle button to return to the main toolbar once again. The next step is to select the object that will be the focus of the blur. To start, click Overlay on the toolbar and tap the specific layer. Once the overlay layer is selected, find the Mask option in the toolbar menu. There are several mask shapes that are available for selection. Make sure to pick the appropriate form according to the shape of the subject. In my case, I'll choose the Circle Mask because I want to blur the face of the person in the video. To position the mask correctly over the object, press and hold onto the circle while dragging it into place. Use the double-ended arrows to resize the mask to match the subject. If you notice the black outline around the mask, simply drag the double arrow button below it to gradually fade it out until it's no longer visible. When finished, click the Check button in the bottom right corner to save your changes. After the object has been successfully blurred, you will notice that the mask remains fixed to the frame where it was originally applied. Add keyframes to customize the blur mask so that it follows the subject throughout the video. First, navigate to the specific point in the video where the subject is no longer blurry and tap the little diamond button above. Select the Mask option and drag the blur effect over the subject again. Repeat for the following frames until the subject remains blurred to the end of the timeline. Once the subject is blurred in every keyframe, click the Upload button at the top to save the final edited output of your video. And that's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.